Keeping your Dose Control Pro clean will ensure your machine continues producing perfectly ground coffee with each use. Here's how to perform a quick general clean and cleaning of the conical burrs. To start your general clean, empty the beans from the hopper and grind out any excess beans. Unplug the cord from the power before further cleaning. Remember to avoid alkaline or abrasive cleaning agents, steel wool or scouring pads, as they can damage the machine's surface. Instead, using warm soapy water, wash, rinse and dry the grind tray thoroughly, then wipe the lid with a soft cloth. To clean the bean hopper and lid, use a soft damp cloth and do not place any grinder parts or accessories in the dishwasher. You can wipe and polish the grinder's exterior with a soft damp cloth. Only apply a gentle cleaning agent to the cloth and not directly on the machine. Plug the cord back into the power outlet. To maintain consistent grinding results, the burrs require regular cleaning, especially for espresso coffee. Let's walk you through it. First, unlock the hopper. Hold the hopper over an empty container and turn the dial to release the beans into it. Align the hopper back into its position. Press the start button and run the grinder until empty. Remove the hopper. Remove the upper burr by turning and lifting the wire handle. Clean the upper burr using a generic cleaning brush. Use a cleaning brush to clean the lower burr. If there are still excess grinds you can't get to, use a vacuum cleaner to remove it. Push the upper burr firmly into position again, then using the wire handle, rotate it clockwise to lock it into place. Make sure the arrows align, like this. Align the hopper into position again and lock the hopper by rotating it clockwise. Then fill it again with fresh beans. And there you have it. Your grinder is now ready to grind your next cup of quality coffee.